Hi guys, this is Alan from Hirose Financial. How are you today? For today, since the market is in trend market overall, so I just want to bring up one of the most classic strategy, which is the simple moving average crossover. So it's a really simple strategy that as long as you can spot the trend market, you've got a high chance for winning. First let's set up the indicator. Okay, let's go to technical indicator, click on that, and then we will choose the simple moving average and then put a tick in the little box right there. Okay, so put a tick there, and then we'll open the drop down. Just click on the drop down, and then we will deselect the SMA3. We're only gonna use two simple moving average, so deselect SMA3, and then after that we will go to the parameter. Just click on parameter, and then for SMA1 we are using 7, for SMA2 we are using 13. So again, 7 and 13. Simple as that. And then we will close the technical indicators window. Just close that, and then we will move on to the chart period and option period. For today I'm trading with a 10 seconds chart period, and then I'm gonna trade with the 1 minute option. So now we are all down. What we're gonna do now is that I will place the trade first, and then I will tell you the detail on how you can do it. Now just fast forward a bit, and then I'm just gonna try to spot a chance here. I placed a high here. The time for you to place a high is really simple. All you need to look at is the simple moving averages, and then when they cross over, if the blue lines are above the red line, you will open a high option. And then the only thing you need to keep in mind is that this strategy is a trend following strategy. So what it means is that you will need to spot a trend before you can use this strategy. So how can I spot a trend? So in here is uptrend. So what I do is that I have an invisible line in my mind that I connected these 2 points here, which are the higher lows. So if I connected these 2 higher lows, then in my mind I see a line that is heading upward, and then that's why I can see that it's uptrend, and then that's why I used the simple moving average crossover to trade with the this market. The trade is finished, and then I will just fast forward a bit. I will just look for another currency pairs here. Again, it's uptrend, so I will place a high here. You see the 2 lines cross over, and then the blue line is on top of the red line, and then if I connect the lower the higher lows, and I can see an upward trend line, and then that's why I opened a high option here. What I just noticed is that the option period is at 30 seconds, but it was my mistake. I was gonna trade with 1 minute, but then I mistaken it with 30 seconds option. But it's still looking good, and I ended in profit. That was lucky. Again, let's fast forward a bit, and then I will try to look for a downtrend here, just to show you how you can spot a downtrend and how you can use this strategy in a downtrend. It's a downtrend here, so I will place a low here. How do I spot a downtrend? Similar to uptrend, in a downtrend, I will have a invisible line in my mind, and I connect the lower heights, which is the lower heights, and then which is these 2 points here. And then once I connect these 2 points, I will see a downward trend line. That's how I identify a downtrend. And then after I identify that the market is in a downtrend, I will use the simple moving average, and then I will wait for the 2 lines to cross over. And then if the blue line is below the red line, then I can open a low option, just like what I did here. It's about to finish, and it's gonna be ended profit, I'm sure. So okay, so it's ended in profit. So let's take a look at the history. Okay, so well, that's the first half of my trade for today, and the profit for now is $22. So okay, so well, I'm just gonna do a few more trades, but before that, just a little piece of advice is that sometimes you just don't need a lot of indicator on your chart. So sometimes simple like this, just a simple moving average, just two simple lines there is gonna is enough to help you to make profit. So well, sometimes just simplify your strategy a little bit and then reduce the indicators on your chart, and then in that way you might see the price movement more clear. So okay, that's my little piece of advice, and then I will move on to the second half of my trade. So I will see how much I end up with, and my goal for today is actually to reach the $200 milestone, so which is a double of my original capital. So okay, yep, let's take a look at how I trade with my own speed. Alright, so well, the second half is finished, and then well, this is the history we are looking at for today. So I make 7 trades for today, and surprisingly only one trade was ended in loss, and then the total profit has come to $34, and which means I have reached my 200 milestone. Well, this is the 5th day of my $100 challenge, and then within 5 days I can turn 100 into 200, and that's not bad. And then well, especially for today, the strategy I'm using today, I think it was the right choice, and then it's simple, but then the market was in trend market, and then that helps me to enhance this strategy and to bring me more profit. So okay, so well, if you do have any question on this strategy, let me know by putting a comment down there, and then I can get back to you as soon as possible. And then just remember, this one is one of the most classic and powerful strategy out there you can get. So make sure to take a look at it, and then just try to make some practice on it, and perhaps it will just give you some hints on how you can trade better with a trend market. So okay, well, that's it for today, and then I will see you again tomorrow. And then well, if you like my video, give me a like and subscribe to my channel for more live trading video. Okay, bye.